How to make and create tutor flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Canva and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for flyer, and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, go here and scroll down like this until you find the tutor flyer option right here. Just keep scrolling like this and you will find it right here, as you can see. Now click on see all and choose a template. For example, this one. You can change the text and the image and everything. After you finish, go here and click download. It looks so good, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.